Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 855 CPU going up against the Kirin 980, 6GB of RAM versus 8. The display resolution on the Galaxy S10 Plus has been turned down to Full HD to match the Xiaomi Mi 9, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Xiaomi Mi 9 finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. In the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored higher in each of the categories. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.